Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the 89 Mercedes-Benz 560 SCC AMG, and this one is actually the UAE card. So this is not the Indian card. So this one is actually a gift from one of my good friend Job Jose. So the credit goes to him. So he bought this for me and he gifted this to me. So we did do an unboxing of the gray one previously. So this one is the black one, which is not available in India yet. So let's unbox and see how this looks. Okay, so here it is. So the first impressions of this car is like, okay, this looks really, the color looks really beautiful. So now, as usual, this is a mainline Hotwheels, so you can't expect much from this. So the paint job has some irregularities, as you can see here. So there are some interior details here, which looks really nice. So it has rear view mirrors, which is a welcome addition, and they painted the headlights and the logo. So the grills are actually, it's embossed on it, it's not painted. The taillights are also painted, at least this time. The paint job is really nice. So the rims are pretty standard, and it's plastic and chassis is plastic. It's just a main line, and the body is made of metal. Okay, let's do a roll test. Okay, that rolls really well. Rolls fast, but as you can see here, there is some wheel wobble, specifically in the front wheels. But still it rolls really nice. And that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe, and it would be a great help if you guys subscribe and support me, so consider subscribing. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.